What's up, YouTube? It's time for another hike. It's a beautiful Saturday, brisk, cool fall morning up in the North Georgia mountains. Let's do it.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true.
Beautiful morning. It's about 48 degrees, 8:30 a.m. The light's starting to come through the trees and shine on the beautiful fall foliage. Okay, so just past mile marker 10 is going to be your first crossing of the creek. Now there was a bridge here, but a storm knocked it out and they haven't replaced it. So at some point you will have to cross. You can see the remnants of the bridge. I'm thinking it's been kind of dry, not a lot of rain. I may go down here, hop those rocks, hop the big rock, and I might not even have to get my feet wet. So that wasn't too bad. I was fortunate that it's been kind of dry. We haven't got a lot of rain, so the creek is low, so it made for a pretty easy path across without even getting wet. And I'm glad, because 47 degrees, that water would be cold. Not sure what the mile markers are. At mile marker 10 was the first crossing. They may be every 10th of a mile. So I'm assuming that was 1 mile. And now we're approaching 11. So I'm thinking that is 1 mile and 1/10. If you know, comment below.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave.
I will say the trail is really well marked. We're coming up on mile marker 12 and just past the 10 mile mark. The trail is really flat and easy. So 2/10 of a mile into mile number 2, easy hike. Okay, so just past mile marker 13, you'll come to a part of the path that is a little confusing, and it will be approaching the second water crossing. So as you see, the path has a lot of debris across it. The reason being is you need to take a right here. They have it marked with a red ribbon and go this way. Again, ribbons marking the path. And then we will come to the second crossing. Now, convenient enough, there's a tree across here. And I'm assuming this is why they directed us to cross here. So, let's do it. And if you're not confident enough to cross on the log, again, it's been somewhat dry. The creek is fairly low. Someone has laid some logs across here, and you can cross here probably just as easy, if not easier. Again, the creek is pretty low. If it was much higher, you might get wet here if you go this path. So here's the second bridge. It is still intact, but it has been moved due to damage from the storm. So if you had went straight where the debris was, you would have come here and the bridge would have crossed here. I'm assuming that. But they have moved the bridge because of the damage over here. And it is now a bridge to nowhere. And one of my favorite things to do is get off the path and get closer to the water. Sometimes you have some really nice views just a little bit off the trail. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it looks like a campsite. Nice campsite.
something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing certain, I'll always be yours.
Panther Creek Falls. Beautiful.
At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be
Another beautiful waterfall hike. Panther Creek Fall. Nice. Can't recommend it enough. Come on out. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe.